With over 2 selections in Bihar Higher Judicial Services, 3 selections in Chhattisgarh Higher Judicial Services, and over 40 selections in 32nd Bihar Judicial Services. भाई साहब हमारा साल तो बहुत लाजवाब जा रहा है। अगर आप भी चाहते हो ना कि आने वाला समय आपका भी अच्छा जाए, वी हैव अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू, अ जुडिशरी फाउंडेशन प्रोग्राम वेयर यू विल गेट टू लर्न फ्रॉम अ जज हाउ टू बिकम अ जज। इस प्रोग्राम के अंदर वो सारी चीजें होने वाली है जो आपको चाहिए। Interactive classes, exam-oriented study material, dedicated sessions for mains answer writing and for judgment writing. और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, उनके बारे में और जानकारी चाहिए ना तो नीचे दिए नंबर पर तुरंत कॉल करिए।
Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Bajpayee and I have secured rank 8 in Rajasthan Judicial Services Examination 2024. Talking about my introduction, I come from Balaghat, a district in Madhya Pradesh. I have done my schooling from Balaghat English Higher Secondary School, Balaghat, Madhya Pradesh. After that, I gave my CLAT examination in the year 2017 and completed my BA LLB course from Institute of Law, Nirma University, Ahmedabad. After graduating in the year 2022, I started preparing for Judicial Services Examination. As I come from Madhya Pradesh, my target state was MP. So I prepared wholeheartedly for Madhya Pradesh state and prepared all the subjects by taking coaching from Judiciary Gold. Here I would like to share some of the mistakes which I did in prelims examination of multiple states. I gave 2 years to this preparation. In the start, I tried to prepare for MP Judicial Services Examination. At the start, I prepared all the barracks thoroughly through the means of joining a coaching institute. I joined online batch of Judiciary Gold, Bhopal, through which I completed all the subjects. But while I was completing my course, then only Chhattisgarh Judiciary notification came. And I tried to appear for that, but missed it by few marks. Thereafter, the notification for Delhi Judiciary came, and I gave it in the year 2023, February. But I missed it again by a few marks. Then finally, when the MP Judiciary notification came, I prepared again, but missed the prelims by 1 mark. As I gave prelims examination of multiple state but failed to crack it. So I would like to share some of the mistakes which I did with you all. So first mistake which I think I did was not preparing all the subject well. जब मैंने फर्स्ट स्टेट का अटेम्प्ट दिया तब मेरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड सीपीसी के नोट्स बाकी थे और मैंने उसे अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ा था। इस वजह से मैंने उस सब्जेक्ट पे लैग किया और ड्यू टू विच प्रीलिम्स में जो उसके क्वेश्चंस आए थे आई कुड नॉट अटेम्प्ट इट प्रॉपरली. So it is very essential to complete all the major laws, which includes IPC, CRPC, Indian Evidence Act, CPC, and Constitution thoroughly before attempting prelims examination. For that, you must prepare the bare acts well. By bare act, it means covering the legal provision, the jurisprudence part, and the case law, and how you can cover it. Either you can take coaching from any coaching institute. There they provide the study material for these subjects. Otherwise, you can take help from the standard books. I would like to share some of the standard books for each subject. For IPC, you can refer to KD Gaur. For CRPC, it is Kelkar book. For CPC, it is the Takwani book. And for Indian Evidence Act, I referred to Batuklal book. Second mistake, which I would like to share, is not practicing enough MCQs. I failed to cover and practice MCQs subject-wise while I was preparing for the judiciary in the first year. While I was making the notes, I lacked to practice MCQs. For practicing MCQs, I referred to Universal's book, and there is also a singles books which comes in 4 volume. You can take help of any of these book to practice MCQs. Also, it is important to refer to past year papers. Whenever you are attempting prelims of any state, You must solve the past year papers of all the last 10 years of that state. Now, the third mistake, which I believe I did, was not giving enough mock test. Mock test comprise of the entire paper, which is, for example, if prelims exam is of 100 marks, then in the mock test, similarly, same type of questions are framed, and you have to solve it in a time-based manner. When I gave my Chhattisgarh prelims examination, I was only able to solve one or two mock tests, due to which I lacked to complete the paper in time. In Delhi judiciary, also, I faced the time management problem because I did not practice enough MCQs or the full length mock test of different coaching institutes. Now, the third mistake which I did was not doing enough revision of all the laws. In prelims examination, for some state, only the major laws are asked, but in other, there are local laws also. So it is important you do revision of all the laws along with the language part, which is asked in the prelims examination. For Delhi, it is important to refer to the case laws as well because mostly the recent case laws and the conceptual questions are asked in Delhi judiciary. For Rajasthan, similarly in Rajasthan, you need to refer to the language part. In prelims, Hindi and English grammar is asked. So for that, you can refer either to the YouTube videos or you can refer to two books which I referred. For Hindi, it is Solanki publication book, and for English, it is Ospal Objective English book. So these are the four mistakes which I did. But I believe after understanding my situation, you will be able to not repeat the same mistake. And I wish all the very best to your preparation. And I would like to thank the DKT team for inviting me here and to share my journey and the preparation strategy with you all. All the very best.